snowblower. Inverted snowblower. So instead of backing up, you're driving forward. Man, this thing just eating the snow right now. Got a little blizzard last 2 days, and it's been probably did about 24 to 30 inches yesterday. I got another foot right now that we're blowing, and then a little bit deeper in these snow drifts. But man, this blower is just eating it up.